Hello. Hello everyone. Me and my baby is back in Hampton. I'm driving, picking up the medication of my boss in the drugstore. So very cold. Gonna storm tonight. Snowstorm until tomorrow. So I'm going to the market and get stuff for a couple of days. So I just want to share you guys. The road now is very clear. They are putting the salt. If you can see the white stuff in the road. That's the salt. You can see that. Let me zoom the camera so you can see. That is the rock salt. It's like a gravel, but it's a salt. Okay guys. Alright, I just want to share you. I'm back in Hampton. No more New York City until 10 days. Sorry, I'm driving. Very busy today, getting ready for the storm. Alright. Okay. That's it for now. Bye for now. Driving on the snowy road. God bless. Please subscribe and like, share, and comment. And I'll get back to you. This is a cooking channel and gardening and how to take care of the house and how to take care of the old person. Okay guys, if you need advice, just PM me or email me. Bye for now. God bless.